In this video, I'll show you how to get paid to click, which is a new strategy to make money online by clicking for absolutely free. How does it work? We're about to find out. And if you stay until the end of the video, not only will it show you how to make even more money, but I will also teach you how to set up this on autopilot. That way you will earn a lot more money without doing the work yourself. Now before we start, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you proof that this actually works and worth your time. So I'm going to payment proofs right here. And that's going to take us over to the next page, where you can see people from all over the world making money with this website every single minute, every single day. And they're being paid through different payment options, because you can just select however you want to get paid with this website. And as soon as you reach a threshold of which is really low, you can withdraw your money and then spend that on whatever you want to. So you can see they're making money every single minute. You can even see the exact time on the right-hand side. And you have all of these pages that contain hundreds of users that have been making money with this website. This website is called PTC Share. I'll just link it below the like button. This is available worldwide. No matter which country are you coming from, you can make money with this website from United States, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines or Singapore, etc. Your country doesn't matter. But don't go straight to the website and try to figure it out on your own, because that way you will waste your time and you will probably not make any money, because in this video, I will show you step by step how to use this website. And I'm also going to show you how you can maximize your results to earn more money. And then at the end, I'll show you how you can set this up on a complete autopilot for free so that you can make money when other people click. So you don't have to spend hours and hours every single day on your computer or on your phone just clicking, but you can let other people to do it for you. Now right off the bat on the homepage, you will be able to see the latest cash outs and you will see exactly how much money people are making. Now, even though this is a relatively new site, it hasn't been online for a while, but it already has over 300,000 members, which makes it a better place to make money online since loads of people are using it and it's a brand new website. You can see, you earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with them is simple. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. So you don't have to wait around for weeks or months to actually get paid. You can get paid really quickly with this website. In fact, you can make money today, just with this website. So I highly recommend you come over to this website. You can scroll through it and see exactly how it works if you want to learn more about it. And after that, you can just click on Join Us Now button for absolutely free, and that will take you over to the registration page. Here on this page, you need to create a unique username for your account that can be whatever you can think of. I will just type in the John, for example. Then you create a password, and you need to retype the same password. After that, you need to enter your email address and retype the same as well. Then, just click I'm not a robot and click Create Account. As soon as you do that, you should receive an email from PTC Share that's going to look something like this. This is an activation link for your account which you must click, so you can actually start making money. Thus, before you do anything else, go over to your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or whatever you use, open up your email and click on that activation link. As soon as you complete that step, you will be able to log into your brand new account. This is the dashboard. This is how it's going to look like on the inside, and this is where you can track your earnings. On the left-hand side you can see your balance, and you have all of these different categories like cash offers, playing games. You can also set up your own campaigns, and of course, you can earn money by viewing ads. You can make money by clicking on those, but stay tuned to see how you can make even more money. Now here on this homepage, You will also be able to claim different bonuses if you want to. So I recommend you scroll over through the dashboard so you can explore the website and see all of the features that it has to offer for you. Now to get started with making money by clicking on those ads, you need to hover your mouse and click right here where it says Earn and then click on View Ads so you can start viewing those ads. Now you will be able to see all the ads on the website. You can also see all the different payments that they have for you. So each time you click on those ads, you will get paid. For example, if I click on this ad, I'm going to get paid. And all I need to do is just click on View Paid Ad. And that's it, I will get credited immediately. Now, this is obviously not going to make you any significant amount of money. That's why we need to focus on more ways we can use. You just click once and you can get paid. It's simple as that. But let's see how you can make even more money. After you done clicking on all of those ads, well, you can scroll a little bit up, you can go to the Earn button right here. And if you select this click grid section right here, they'll allow you to make even more money like here on the right hand side. You can see that people are being paid a lot of $5.31 more per click, and you also have a chance to win $10 each time you select any of these boxes on the grid selection. And the way this works is you just need to click on some of these boxes. And each time you click on the box, they will open up the ad which you will need to watch. As soon as you watch the ad, you will get credited real money. Therefore, you will get paid a lot more than the previous one. And as you can see, you can click on all of those boxes. And each time you click on each of those boxes, you will get paid, which is super cool because once again, you're not doing any of the hard work. And this requires no previous experience. You're just logging into the website, you go to Earn button right here, and then select View Ads or Click Grid. And you just click. The more you click, the more money you will make. Now as I promised you, I'm going to show you how you can leverage this website and how you can set up something that will allow you to make money with this website, even if you're not clicking on those ads yourself. So how can you make even more money without having to do the work of clicking on ads yourself? Well, here's exactly how. You need to scroll up right here, and then you need to select your username, your account here on the right hand side. So click on that. And that will show this Refer Friends section over here. Now, obviously, you will not be referring friends and family, but instead you will actually refer people that will benefit from this website, because if they click on those ads, they will make money, and of course, you will also get paid for them clicking on those ads. And I'm going to show you which website you can use for absolutely free that will allow you to attract real targeted people who will be willing to use this website so you can make passive income. But before that, let me know in the comment which country are you coming from so I can make more videos that work around your area. So let's get right into the website. Now, I'm going to show you which website you can use for absolutely free that has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platforms that will allow you to attract real targeted people who will be willing to use this website so you can make passive income. So just scroll a little bit down and you can see that you will get paid 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks. So if they earn $100, you will get paid $3. If they earn $1,000, you will earn $30. They will not lose anything or whatsoever. They will receive their $1,000. On the other hand, you will earn $30 without doing any of the work yourself, without having to click on those ads or whatsoever. So just imagine referring 1,000 people to this website and all of them started using it and all of them start clicking on those ads that will quickly add up and you will be making commission of all of that. And you know, it's super easy to refer someone who is also willing to earn some money with the use of an absolutely free website. So it's going to be a no-brainer for those people. I mean, they just need to sign up and make money. So I want you to grab your referral link right here by copying it. This is your own unique referral link, copy that. And then I want you to come over to this website called Trendry, which I'll just link below the like button as well. This is a Make Money Online forum where people come to discuss different topics related to making money online. And a lot of them come over here to learn more about new websites where they can make money online. And there are thousands of people coming over to this forum every single day. So if I go to the money making section right here, that's going to take me over to this page where I can go through all of these different posts. You can see people are discussing about making money online. And what I simply need to do is just click on post thread right here, and I can say something along the lines of get paid to click, make money online by clicking for absolutely free. And in the description of my post, I would say something like this website works worldwide and it will pay you just for clicking on ads. Sign up here for free and I will leave my referral link over here. It's simple as that. Of course you can rewrite that in your own words, you can add more text if you want to, just to attract more people, or you can even type in the exact same thing and just share that on Trendry by just clicking on post thread. It's absolutely free and you stand a good chance of attracting a lot of people on your referral link since all of them are interested in making money online for free. And once they sign up to PTC Share using your link and start making money by clicking on those ads, you will also start making some passive income, and that way you can make a lot more money without doing the work yourself. All the people that you refer to this website will obviously be thankful because now they're starting to make money online by clicking on ads, and you will also be satisfied because you're also making commission out of that. So it's a win-win situation. It's all absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video and I hope you did get some value out of it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next videos.